Hello everyone, Sandy here from the Curtain Boutique. Today I'm going to show you how to work out your pinch pleats or any other pleats that involve buckram. The first thing we do is measure our width of fabric, which we call the flat width, and we have to work out how much we've really got to play with. So to do this, we have to deduct the width of the rail, which is going to be 270 centimetres wide, away from the amount of fabric we've got to start with. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work out how many pleats we want for this pelmet, and because we've got 5 widths in this pelmet, by rule of thumb we will be needing to do about 4 pleats per width, and because we've got 5, that's obviously going to mean that we're going to be doing 20 pleats. Right, so we write down our 20 pleats. Now because we've got 20 pleats, we will have 21 spaces, and those spaces will include our 2 returns on the edge of the pelmet, which quite often go around the corner if we're fixing the pelmet to a board. And in this instance, our returns are going to be 15 centimetres each, which totals 30 centimetres. So we will have to take the 30 centimetres off our 660 flat width, which will leave us with 630. So now that we know we've got the 630 as a flat width, which minuses our returns, we're going to subtract our 270 for the actual width of the rail from our flat width of now 630, which will give us 360 centimetres, and this will be for pleats. So now that we've worked all these out, we have to work out how big our spaces are going to be. So basically we know how many pleats we're going to have, and we know how many returns there are. So the amount of spaces is going to be 19, because obviously we're taking off our returns. So we're now going to divide our 19 into our 270, which is the amount we've got for our spaces. And we are going to be left with 14.2, which will be each space, and then our returns are 15 centimetres each. So for our pleats, we know that we've got 360, and we know that we've got 20 pleats, so we have to divide 20 into our 360, and that will give us 18 centimetres for each of our pleats. So to recap, we have 14.2 for our spaces, and that is times 19. We have 2 returns of 15 centimetres, and that will give us 30 centimetres in total. And then we have 18 centimetres times 20 for our pleat, for our pleats. So obviously I'm going to add it all up, and we should have the whole amount should be 660. And there we go. And that's how you do it. Just keep watching it and you'll soon get the hang of it. Any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me for this quick tutorial. Take care everyone.